Hi, my name is Lisa White from the University of Miami. I'm currently a graduate student in the Developmental Psychology program working with Dr. Daryl Greenfield. In our paper, we were interested in examining executive functioning in young Spanish and English-speaking preschool children attending Head Start. Executive functioning are fundamental cognitive skills that help organize and manipulate information. Flexibility and cognitive inhibition, for example, are some of the core components of executive functioning. A large body of research suggests that children who are bilingual have higher executive functions than their monolingual peers. This may be because children who are bilingual have to navigate and switch between languages in multiple different contexts. Research also suggests that the more bilingual one is, the greater the advantages in executive functioning. However, research on this topic is limited in young Spanish and English-speaking preschoolers from low-income backgrounds. This group is particularly important to examine given that they make up a large number of the growing bilingual population in the United States and that they are often considered at risk for academic underachievement already at kindergarten entry. To address this gap, this study examined executive functioning skills in 3 groups of children attending Head Start: Spanish-English bilingual children, Spanish-dominant emerging bilingual children, and English monolingual children. First, a large number of children were randomly sampled from various Head Start classrooms in Miami-Dade County and screened in English and Spanish to determine language status. The final sample of children yielded 303 participants, who were then assessed on a battery of computerized executive functioning tasks. The battery was made up of 6 tasks that assess cognitive inhibition, flexibility, and working memory. This example item assesses cognitive flexibility and asks children to identify how 2 pictures are similar, in this case based on the dimension of size. Here, the child is expected to pick the red chair because it is similar in size to the yellow flower. Each child completed the battery with an individual touchscreen laptop and a set of headphones, and occasional instructions and/or prompts from the assessor. Once all data was collected, we compared executive functioning performance across the 3 language groups. Results showed that the Spanish-English bilingual group performed significantly better than the monolingual English group, and that the Spanish-dominant emerging bilingual group performed in between these 2 groups. Taken together, these findings show that young Spanish-English bilingual children have higher executive functioning than their monolingual English peers, and also suggest a gradient effect, such that young Spanish speakers who are in the process of learning English also start to demonstrate some level of elevated executive functioning. These findings are exciting because they are the first to suggest an executive functioning advantage in young Spanish and English-speaking children from low-income backgrounds. Given the well-established links between executive functioning and a wide range of positive outcomes, including academic, social-emotional, and health outcomes, advantages in this population are critical to identify. By recognizing these advantages, it is our hope that young Spanish and English-speaking emerging bilingual children are supported and fostered in a way that recognizes bilingualism as a strength, hopefully leading to an array of associated benefits in early childhood and beyond.